Hello, in this video we are using the C02 automatic prep tool to connectorize a piece of ICA 12 platinum rated cable. This auto trimming tool is ideal for C03, C02 and C02-6 connector version. Before starting, make sure the tool blades are in good condition. Otherwise, replace them with new ones, which can be purchased from RFS or its distributors. RFS recommended taking all safety precautions to avoid any risk of injury during the installation process. Review the installation instructions included with both the connector and tool. Also, please respect all valid environmental regulations and waste disposal. Review the connector packaging label to verify the trimming tool is compatible with the connector. Open the packaging and refer to the installation instruction to ensure there is no missing part of the connector assembly. The package contains the installation instruction and the connector assembly. The connector assembly includes the body of the connector, the spring C-ring, back nut, sealing O-ring, and a film of grease. For the purpose of this video installation, I'll be using the blue jacketed ICA cable. But keep in mind, this cable comes in various jacket colors such as white, black, red, etc. The outer conductor can either be aluminum or copper. Regardless of the jacket color or the outer conductor design, all half-inch standard connector will fit on this cable. Before beginning the connector installation, make note of all the tools that are required and be sure to wear safety gloves and safety glasses. Before installing the connector, it is recommended to inspect the cable assembly for any physical damage, as any dent or kink can result in cable performance degradation. Do not exceed the minimum bending radius. Refer to the cable spec sheet for more detail. Strengthen the clean front part of the cable. A minimum of 8 inches is recommended. Using a straight line, a smooth and 5/8 saw, cut the cable in the corrugation valley. This step is important to ensure the inner conductor is not cut too short or too long. Electrical or other pipe cutter are not recommended. Mount the auto trimming tool into the drill. Use caution as the edge of the tool are very sharp. Insert the clean front part of the cable into the trimming tool and run the drill at medium speed until the cable is fully prepped. Use caution. Position the tool away from your face and body to prevent injury from copper particles. Once the cable is fully prepped, pull the trimming tool out. Using a razor knife, decompress and clean out the dielectric over the inner conductor by cutting them flush with the outer conductor. Do not score or scratch the inner conductor. Slide the profile ring onto the cable. Position it on the corrugation just before the jacket. Use caution as the ring can be damaged from the edge of the outer conductor. Wipe a light film of grease on the profile ring. It is okay if the grease touches the outer conductor. Push the back nut onto the cable over the profile ring. Make sure the first valley is free and exposed. Carefully place the spring C-ring onto the first corrugation valley of the cable. Do not damage the ring. Push the back nut forward over the spring C-ring until it stops. Use fingers to keep the ring in place while sliding the back nut over. Push the connector front part onto the prepared cable end. Caution: never tune the front part of the connector. Tighten the connector by tuning the back nut only, first by hand. Keep the front body of the connector steady and tighten the back nut of the connector by using the recommended open-end wrench. Tie the connector until it's positively stopped. Once the connector is positively tightened, do a pull test to make sure the connector is properly installed and will not pop out.